My name is Hohmann. In my working life, I work for Siemens in Germany. We do power plants and I'm in the gas turbine business. It's related to mass production, and it started with the automotive industry. So you may know Henry Ford, who did this first real car, the Model T, and he introduced mass production. And instead of, at that time, building it just like an expensive carriage, he would really make it cheap and very basic without any extras. A lot of people know his quote, you can have it in any color as long as it is black. First, that sounds, is he ignoring the customer value? But actually at that time, the customers didn't care for the fancy stuff. They just wanted to have an affordable transportation system. It was easier to produce just one product in black. It was not the cheapest color, it was not his favorite color, but it was actually because it dries the fastest. Because at that time, you needed much space to dry the painted parts, and by choosing black, you could reduce the area and thus improve the handling and make the cost cheaper. So this is actually applying lean in the manufacturing area. A similar product is the iPhone, the first iPhone. At the beginning, you couldn't choose many colors. Now the customers got used to it, but when they first just wanted to have an iPhone, they just took the white or the black one. You can just pick up the concept and apply it on any process you do. In companies, it's a little bit more complicated because the people who work on the process steps, who actually do it day by day, they have to apply it. They know the solutions. And to convince them and to make them aware of the waste in the process, to see where there is unnecessary waiting or unnecessary movement, they really have to convince them and make it transparent. And that is only done by a lot of communication and training. But in the end, it's worth it. And the business success will increase. And so know your customer value, make it transparent, use common sense, and get rid of the waste. Economically, the time and money you spend on the product is reduced, and so your profit increases. And environmentally, you would see also less material use, less things to be thrown away, and so you save